another video. I can't believe it's been another month. It's gone so by so quick. I don't want it to go by so quick. I'm almost out of school. No. Well, anyway, let's get back to the Ipsy video. Okay, so always in a pink package. Okay, so let's open it. Wow, that was hard. Let's get the card first before I look at any of the items. Okay, so it says, your summer story starts here. And this is what the card looks like. Really pretty. Now we are going to open this. Okay, so let's see what's in here. It's in a pink tissue paper. I've never seen it like this. Okay, so here's it. It's like this popsicle ice cream bag. It's like if you were to put something in here that you didn't want people to see, this would be a really bad bag because it's kind of see-through. Well, let's move on anyway. So yeah, it's covered with little ice creams and popsicles and stuff. Okay, now let's open it. It has a black zipper. Okay. Okay, we have lip balm, and it is for dry and chapped lips. It says right there. Right there. Put that right there. Okay, next item. Now we have some eyeshadow. So let's see what color it is. Oh, I can't open this. Okay, oh, I opened it. Okay, so this is the first color. It's really pretty. It's like a golden purplish color. It's actually really shiny and really pretty. Okay, here is the next one. This is more of a goldish brown. It's really pretty. Okay, and this is what it looks like on the outside. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the next item. Oh, look, this is an eyeliner brush. It looks very nice, but I don't know if it means like the eyeshadow is green, but it probably doesn't because it looks black at the top, but I don't know what that means. Okay, we have two more items. Oh, we have powder highlighter. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. It's this like whitish, goldish, tannish color. Okay, now we're gonna open it and put a little on my face. Is there a brush in here? Oh yeah, see, here's a highlighter brush. See? It's purple and it's really soft at the top, and this is this metal part's like all gold. So yeah, we're gonna put a little bit on my face. Okay, there we go. There we go. Oh. Okay, so there, I put it on. I probably look weird, or maybe it blends in really good, I'm not sure. Well, that's all we have for this Ipsy video. I hope you come in next month and watch this amazing video again, except with different items. So, yeah, you better come back, I said so. Bye!